Someone asked me that, bro, can you recommend me a good programming language to learn? And honestly, it's the most common questions for beginners. And let me break it down in simplest way as possible. So, first of all, there is no single perfect language. It depends on you, what you want to do. For example, if you want to build a website, you have to study JavaScript. If you want to make game or app, you have to start with C#, C++, or Python. But if you want to study hacking, cybersecurity, or AI, you have to study Python. And don't waste months because picking up the best programming language. Pick one and stick with it and start building small project. It don't matter. For example, you should start with the small projects like calculator or password generator or a simple website. It didn't matter. Every big things start with the small things, yeah. And if you are totally beginner, I personally recommend you that start with Python because it's powerful for hacking and cybersecurity in AI, web app, and at all of things.